In this video lecture, we will discuss about indole test. Indole test is one of the tests that is based on protein utilization test, and this test can be performed in any protein containing medium. Okay, and this test that is come under the one of the four tests, that is IMVIG test. This IMVIG test is widely used in the identification of coliform. Here in the IMVIG test, the I stand for indole test, M stand for methyl red test, V stand for Voges-Prosker test, and C stand for citrate utilization test. So, it is form one of the four tests, IMVIG test, that comes under the one of the four tests that is widely used in the identification of the coliform. So, in this video lectures we will discuss about the indole test, and in the next video lectures we will discuss about the methyl red test, Voges-Prosker test, and citrate utilization test. So, what are the requirements for the IMVIG test that we will see? The requirements are the sample or a culture. Second thing, that is we require the sterile 1% tryptone broth, and the third thing that we require, that is Ehrlich reagent or the COVAX reagent. These three things that we require. What are the things that we require? That is our sample or a culture to be tested. Is it in our culture or a sample that give the indole test positive or not? Second thing, that is 1% tryptone broth, and the third thing, that is Ehrlich reagent or the COVAX reagent, any one of them that will work. And the procedure that we follow, first of all, we will take the 1% tryptone broth, sterile 1% tryptone broth. In that we will add the loopful of the culture. After adding the culture, we will incubate this tube at 37 degrees Celsius in the incubator for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we will take out our test tubes and we will add 1 ml of Ehrlich reagent or COVAX reagent, any one of them we will add by the side wall of the test tube, After adding the Ehrlich reagent, we will observe the pink ring formation. We will observe the pink ring formation and the pink ring at the top of the broth. Suppose up to here there is the broth, and so here we will observe the pink ring formation. So, this is what the requirement and the procedure. If we found the pink ring formation, then we says that the indole test is positive. If we don't found the pink ring formation, then the test is negative. Then we says that indole test is negative for the given sample or for the given culture. Okay. Again I am repeating for the we have to proceed for the IMVIG test. First of all, we have to take a 1% tryptone broth containing tube, sterile, it would be have sterile. Okay. Then we have to add our culture or a sample 1 to 2 loop. After adding, then we have to incubate this tube at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours at the incubator. Then on the next day, we have to take out our tube and we have to add the Ehrlich reagent, 1 ml we have to add the Ehrlich reagent by the side wall. So, by adding slowly we have to add, and after that we will observe the pink ring at the top of the broth. So, if there is a pink ring formation at the top of the broth, then we says that indole test is positive. If there is no pink ring formation, then we says that indole test is negative. So, now we will see what is the principle behind this. Okay. So, as we know that indole is a benzyl pyrrole, it is one of the metabolic degradation product of amino acid, that is tryptophan. As we have taken the 1% tryptone broth, so in our broth it is already there is a tryptophan amino acid is already there. If in our sample or a culture, if organism is having tryptophanase enzyme, that can convert this trypton that is already present in the our 1% trypton broth, that can convert into the indole, pyruvic acid and the ammonia. That can convert into the indole, pyruvic acid and the ammonia. So now further, now on the next day what we are adding? Covax reagent or the Ehrlich reagent. Now this Covax reagent or the Ehrlich reagent, that will react with the indole. That will react with the indole and it will give the pink ring, or we can say that red color formation or a pink ring at the top of the broth. Okay, this is what the principle of the indole test. If organism having the tryptophanase enzyme, they are capable to hydrolyze the tryptophan into the indole, pyruvate and the ammonia. So whatever the indole that has been so produced, that will react with the Covax reagent, or if we are taking the Ehrlich reagent, then the full form of the Ehrlich reagent, that is para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde. The full form of the Ehrlich reagent, that is para, that's here, this is the para P, para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde. So indole that will react with the, if it is react with the Ehrlich reagent, the full form name is para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde. So whatever the indole that has been so produced, that react with the para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde and it will form the pink ring formation at the top of the broth. Here is the photograph of the positive test and the negative test. If here there is the, you can see that the pink ring formation or the red color ring formation, then we says that the test is positive, indole positive. If there we don't found any kind of ring formation at the top of the broth, then the test is negative. This is what all about the indole test.